Just want to watch the movie.
Yeah.
Just want to watch the elephants.
Yeah.
Do you think Rebecca wants to watch the elephants? Oh, you give her lots of kisses.
Baby,
Oh, gonna cry, daughter.
I just want to cry.
She's gonna cry a little bit, maybe.
Yeah, maybe.
She's
You're
a nice
good
girl.
big brother. You're so sweet. Oh, that's good. Thank you.
He's nice.
Better get used to
Yeah,
it.
exactly.
Got tickle, 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 tickle. What's wrong? You are here. It's okay. He's nice. He's a baby.
She's a baby.
Say she's a baby.
She's a baby.
That's right. It's a
Baby
baby.
Rebecca.
Mm-hmm.
He's nice. He's a baby.
Say, my sister.
My sister.
She's your baby sister.
You're such a good boy.
You're gonna have to protect her, huh?
Want to watch a movie? Want to watch the elephants? He used to watch the elephants.
Probably.
He used to want to watch the elephants.
Do you think she'll like the elephants? I bet she'll like the elephants. I bet
Yeah.
she'd like that very much.
You have to tell her all about him.
I bet she just
Watch
wants to
a
hang out with
movie?
you.
Hey, come on. Someone to go.
Well, she can't really go because
She can't walk.
she
that
can't
way.
walk.
He got poopy diapers.
She might have poopy diapers.
Does it change him?
We'll
hold
change.
him?
We'll
You
change
hold
them.
him?
Uh-huh.
You hold him too?
Mhm.
You change my diaper? The turtles?
What about the turtles?
Where are the turtles, Blake?
Right there.
On Grandma's shirt.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, you know what elephants? She likes elephants.
Yeah. She will like the elephant. She'll like what you like. Mhm. She will. She'll like what you like. Yeah. You sure are good at this. How do you know how to be such a good big brother? Are you just naturally good?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. How about we send this to Nana Jane and Grandpa Tom? Can you tell them hi?
You say hi, Nana Jane, Grandpa Tom.
Hi, Nana Jane.
Hi, Grandpa Tom.
Hi, Grandpa Tom.
Say we love you.
We love you.
Can't wait to see you.
Nice to see you.
Bye.
Bye.